The ultimate cleaning companion, DREAME L10s Pro Ultra Heat Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. Tired of endless cleaning chores? Meet the DREAME L10s Pro Ultra, the smart robot vacuum and mop combo your home deserves. Packed with powerful features and cutting-edge technology, it ensures spotless floors with minimal effort. Just set it and enjoy pristine living spaces. This cleaning marvel combines 7,000 Pascal suction power and mop extend technology for in-depth edge cleaning. From stubborn messes on carpets to hidden corner crumbs, it tackles it all. Smart obstacle avoidance and precise mapping keep it safe from cables and clutter, making cleaning smarter and stress-free. Featuring 136 degrees Fahrenheit hot water mop self-cleaning, the DREAME L10s Pro cleans its mops and dries them with hot air, so you don't have to worry about foul smells or maintenance. This robot learns your home's dirt levels, rewashing mops and remopping floors when needed for sparkling results every time. Hardwood floors, tiles, or carpets, this all-rounder adapts to your surfaces with ease. Ideal for homes with pets, its strong suction and advanced detection capture pet hair effortlessly. Its sleek obstacle-avoiding sensors mean it moves smoothly around tricky furniture layouts or scattered household items. With a 4.3-star rating and rave reviews, fellow homeowners praise its quiet operation, unmatched performance, and time-saving features. Its sleek design ensures it blends elegantly into your home while working hard to take cleaning off your to-do list. Transform your home with the DREAME L10s Pro Ultra. Say goodbye to cleaning stress and hello to hassle-free living. Ready to take the plunge? Visit the link in the description for more details and to grab yours today. Your floors will thank you.